it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Mommy Mailbox. This subscription is a monthly treat for mom. Each package contains 4 to 6 surprise gifts curated by a different influencer each month. The themes are always, and items are always chosen by the influencer. Packages are $33.95 monthly. These are really nice. They're just, it makes a great gift, and everything is always so nice. They also have Miss Mailbox too, so if you don't have children, they have the no children version, which is a really, really great option as well. All right, so this is the June box. This is called the Unwind themed box. This is curated by Lindsay Wilson, a Colorado mom of 3 boys. Lindsay is a food allergy advocate as one of her sons suffers with multiple life-threatening food allergies, and she herself contends with an autoimmune disease. All right, so then on the back here, it lists each of the items that we received in our box. And we are just going to go in here. We're going to go ham. All right, so first, right on top, we have Hammond's candies. These are lemon drops. These are old-fashioned pantry. Do you hear my child? I have to go check them. Okay. All right, so these are old-fashioned pantry candies, handmade in small batches, zesty and sweet, melt in your mouth goodness. So I've never heard of this company, but I'm really excited to try these because I like hard candy. That's really nice, and I love lemon too. All right, next we have, what is this? What is this? It looks like a geode. Are they matches? I think they're matches. Yeah, by Home Art. These beautiful matchboxes make everyday useful objects like kitchen matches into a work of art. It looks like a geode. How cool is that? And then there's your strike. That's really neat. Great for these months when you're out back lighting candles and whatnot. All right, so this, oh wow, they're all geodes. All right, so this is from Henley. It's an 18 inch gold-plated necklace with genuine agate stone. So this is actually like a stone, you see? It's half of a stone, and then it's gold-plated on the back. Isn't that pretty? What a statement piece. I love this. I think these boxes, by the way, have like a $50 to $80 retail value. So for the $33.95 you're spending, you're definitely getting your money's worth, making your money's worth. That's not what I meant. All right. Next, we have a candle and a candle holder. Ooh, help. Okay, it's just a candle. Luminous yellow candle. But the little candle holder is super pretty. This is from Home Art, the same people that made the matches. So you've got your little candle and candle holder. It's just a simple white, but very pretty. And then you got your pretty matches to light it. I love it! Isn't that pretty? All right. So now onto our, nope, not our final item. We've got more. All right, so our second to final, this is the therapeutic scar gel from Derma E. I've actually reviewed this. You guys know that. I'm a huge Derma E fan. So you can put this on like your stretch marks, little minor thing, even minor things. I actually have some scars from bacon grease that I was frying. So this stuff is really good. Their products are sustainable, eco-friendly, all natural, fair trade, ethical, just amazing, vegan, cruelty-free. Everything about that brand is amazing, and their products actually work. That's the best part. So there's that. I always love their stuff. And then we're down to our final item. This here is the Liritzi. Oh, they have a silicone. No way. They have their own, one of those silicone sponges. The little blenders. The silicone ones. Oh my gosh. Isn't it crazy? We get a lot of Liritzi products. I'm going to actually do a comparison. I've never actually, I have two and I wanted to always check them out and try them. I've never actually tried them. So I'm going to try them because this is really cute, and I'm going to try all 3 and see if there are differences. It's just, this one looks like an egg, and it's actually kind of more firm than the others, I think. Maybe they use a gel in there. I don't know. I have no idea. They're very like tactile, though. You could just squish it forever. So that is everything that I received in my Mommy Mailbox box. There aren't retail prices on the items, so I will do that in my full review if you want to see a price breakdown. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!